In front of me is REALME GT Master Edition, and today I would like to show you how you can manage vibration options on this smartphone. Start by opening settings, then scroll down a bit, choose sound and vibration over here, and click on the switcher next to vibrate on ring. This way you can turn on or off vibrations for your incoming calls. Now select vibration intensity and adjust intensity of vibrations for incoming calls, notifications, and touch vibrations by swiping left or right. Then go back, scroll down, and choose more sounds and haptics. Over here, click on the switcher next to vibrate on touch to turn it on or off. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment, and definitely don't forget to subscribe. Bye!